Thank you so much, sir, for joining us at Wings India 2026.
Most welcome.
So, how does the TAV1000i help bridge the gap between classroom theory and actual flight training for pilots?
Well, simulators are very important factor in flight training. Okay, so when an Ab-Initio pilot starts with their ground classes, this TAV1000 flight simulator helps them bridge the gap between classroom and practical training. It gives them the realistic environment where they can apply the knowledge they have gained through the ground classes.
What role does the glass cockpit familiarization play in pilot training confidence?
Okay, glass cockpit is one of the most modernized concept that is introduced into the aviation industry, which is more easy to read and understand. So, TAV1000 is incorporated with G1000. So this simulator gives early hands-on experience of the technology and build confidence in the students when they actually go for the real flying.
How important is the muscle memory for the students?
Muscle memory. Aviation is all about muscle memory. So in aviation, the flying is a skill that you learn by doing it like over and over and over and again. So our idea is to introduce the students to TAV1000 through which they will get early hands-on experience and build up those muscle memories which is required when they are going for real flying, and they can transition into real flying very smoothly.
How does the ultra-wide visual system enhance the procedure?
Okay, human works on the basis of senses. There are lots of senses that we have, right? So visual is one of the most important senses that is very important for a pilot, because they need to know where they are going, what kind of weather they are flying in, what is the attitude of the aircraft. So using our ultra wide screen, students get a better view of the environment they are flying in, and better situational awareness.
Compared to imported simulators, how does local ones support in learning students?
So our initiative of building TAV1000 is to support the government's initiative of Make in India. Okay, so we are trying to build source as much as parts possible from within India and bring the cost down. So which is with that, it is affordable for most of the flight school to have one of this installed in their premises for the practice.
Once DGCA approved, it's received. How logging simulator hours for training
Yes, logging simulator hours is a very important factor, because throughout the 200 hours of flying, they have to do a certain amount of flying hours on instrument. So instead of flying actual aircraft, they can fly few hours or recommended hours by DGCA on the simulator, which will bring down the cost of flying and scheduling pressure and less aircraft usage, which can be used for the cadets who are doing visual flying. That's what I believe in.
Thank you so much, sir.
You are watching Aviation Today.